Introducing Sefte, our latest fan. Redesigned from the ground up, starting with our high-efficiency brushless motor that spins at 1,450 RPM, allowing the deep draw blade to propel 19 cubic meters of air per minute. Lab testing and design iteration created our highest efficiency air intake yet. The result is more air moved further and faster, all while making less noise. Our new oscillation motors enable 65 degrees vertical and 120 degrees horizontal movement. These combine to help us reach every corner of your room, while updated controls allow you to precisely position the airflow, all adjusted from a physical remote that you can see in the dark. Sefte, quiet, gentle and undisturbed.